sent a very disturbing clip of senators malhandling the governor of Samburu, His Excellency Lati Lelit. So I've since spoken to the governor. He has explained to me that he had gone there to see the clerk, because in principle as council the only committee that we had said will not be attending is the committee of CPAC, but because of scheduling problems they had put one too many committees at the same day and at the same time, on the same day and at the same time for him, and he was trying to sort this out to reschedule his sittings. When I'm told that the speaker announced that he was seen in the precincts of Senate and that he must be forcefully escorted to CPAC. And then these governors, and I could see the picture, at least three of them, Governor Sifuna, Senator Sifuna, the Senator of Kitui, Wambua, and I think I saw also the Senator of Kisii, literally malhandling and even punching the governor. You know, when we raise issues of extortion, intimidation, harassment, humiliation, and we ask the leadership of Senate to address this because that's not part of oversight. Probably Kenyans thought, that we want factual, but you can actually see how they are behaving in full glare of the cameras. Governor Lelit has informed me that he intends to record a complaint with respect to assault, because he was very, very clearly assaulted in full view of the media and everybody within the precincts of the Senate. And we do hope, wish and pray that once he files the necessary complaints, that the law will take its course, the law will take its course, and the perpetrators will be forced to have their day in court to explain why is it